Automatic hydraulic double-station heat press machine. Advanced linear bearing sliding operation, with simple and convenient prominent features. The control panel adopts intelligent instruments to ensure high precision. T-shirt can insert into bottom platen, high efficiency and save labor. Aluminum heating platen with Teflon sheet. 8 springs on the heating plate to ensure the pressure more even. The maximum pressure of oil pressure can reach 30 kilograms per square centimeter. Operation demo. Turn on machine. Set temperature. Set time. Setting auto delay time. Open hydraulic switch. Automatic mode. Manual mode. Stop button. Place T-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time counts down to 0, heating platen will go up. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.